How to sterilize the draft beer equipment for brewing. The cleaning of beer equipment is also related to the quality of the brewed beer. So the cleaning of beer equipment cannot be ignored. Let's share with you the cleaning method of beer equipment. Step 1. Selection of stainless steel beer equipment. The biggest advantage of stainless steel is its insensitivity to acids and bases. However, the inner wall of the container should be as smooth as possible. This ensures a thorough cleaning and removes any remaining dirt. Special emphasis should be placed on the selection of equipment, the smoothing of the weld, the polishing of the inner wall. Step 2. Fermenter cleaning. When the wine in the fermenter is empty, do not let the carbon dioxide out. You can rinse it twice with water so that there is no smell of wine in the jar. The carbon dioxide is discharged before the alkali water is injected. The fermenter is soaked in alkaline water. The alkaline water must be covered by the bubble cover regardless of the heat and cold. When the next time you make wine, use a pump to circulate the alkaline water for cleaning. Then wash it 3 to 4 times with water for 60 to 80 seconds each time. When the alkaline water is pumped into the fermenter, the sampling port and the air outlet must be opened. If not, the alkali and carbon dioxide are neutralized, and the can is easily vacuumed. Step 3. Cleaning of hoses for beer brewing equipment. Most hoses are rubber hoses, which are dangerous connecting pipes. The internal requirements of the hose are very high and it is difficult to clean. The internal requirements of the hose are very high and it is difficult to clean. The hose can only be cleaned with a weak base. Oxidizing acids such as nitric acid and copper ions can accelerate the aging of the hose. So note that the hose and copper tubing cannot be cleaned together.